Okay, today our lesson is on ratios and proportions. We're going to do some math practice. The ratio of chicken to eggs is 1 chicken equals 3 eggs, so 1 to 3. The ratio of bats to balls is, you have to count the bats, so 1, 2 bats, and 1, 2, 3, 4 balls. So the ratio of bats to balls is 2 to 4. Because for every 2 bats, there are 4 balls. Okay, so I'm going to let you do this one. The ratio of girls to boys is, because for every blank girls, there are blank boys. And the ratio of apples to oranges is, so you count the apples and you count the oranges and put it in the right spots. The ratio of PlayStation 5 to kids is, because for every PlayStation 5, there are how many kids? Okay, so fill in the blanks. I'll help you with the first one. It took the parade 1 hour to travel 17 blocks, which is a rate of, and then just fill it in, 17 blocks per 1 hour. Okay, so you're going to do 2, 3, and 4. 2 is Mrs. Walton sold bags that each contain 5 of her homemade dog treats, which is a rate of 5 blank per blank. Number 3, Jerry's pet rooster crowed 34 times over 16 blocks, which is a rate of blank crows per blank. And number 4, the 3 kids brought their 9 kittens, which is a rate of blank kittens per blank. Okay, an example. Fill in the blanks with the unit rate. Mom drove 180 miles from home to the hotel in 3 hours. How many miles did she drive per hour? So you have 180 miles to 3 hours. So 180 to 3. Okay. So for every hour Mom drove, she drove 60 miles per hour, because you would divide 3 into 180, which would give you 60. So 1 hour is 60 miles, 2 hours is 120 miles, and 3 hours is 180. All right, so you're going to do the next 3. Fill in the blanks. Ben swam 15 laps at the hotel pool in half an hour. How many laps would he have swum for the hour? Number 2, Fred climbed up 1,000 feet of rocky cliff in 2 hours. How many feet did he climb per hour? And number 3, Dan ran 5 miles in 45 minutes. How many minutes per mile did he run? How much is that? Calculate the price of each grocery item. So the cost of 3 steaks is $15. I'd love to know where that is. How much does each steak cost? So you're going to divide it and find out the unit rate. Bananas. The cost of the bunch of bananas is $1.50. So there's 3 bananas in there. How much does each banana cost? How much does 2 bananas cost? A dozen eggs. A dozen eggs cost $1.44. How much does it cost for 1 egg? How much does it cost for half a dozen eggs? So half a dozen would be 6 eggs. And you're going to complete the chart that has Farmer Hosmer, number of chickens, and number of eggs. So for 1 chicken, you have 1 egg, and then these are blank. 2, 4, 8, and then you have for 10 chickens, you have 10 eggs, 15, 15, 50, 50. So go ahead and fill those 3 out, and then complete this chart. It's Farmer Grant. So number of chickens and number of eggs. For 1 chicken, for this farmer, he gets 2 eggs. 2 chickens, he has 4 eggs. 4 chickens, blank, and then you're going to fill that in. 8 chickens, 16, blank. He has 20 number of eggs, 15 blank, and then if he has 50 chickens, he gets 100 eggs. Okay, this is the last sheet. Express each ratio as a fraction and each fraction as a ratio. So this one, 3/4, you would put as 3 to 4, okay? And then the ratio, you're going to make it as a fraction, so 19 over 20 would be your fraction. And you do the other 4, okay? If you like my channel, please subscribe. Thank you.